My daughter is in 11th class in Millennium School. I must say that these teachers are making so much efforts to satisfy their students by these online classes. I'm quite happy that I have selected this school for my daughter. So best of luck and congratulations to all the students.
Let me introduce myself as a proud parent of the Millennium School. We feel that we have taken a right decision by sending our children to the school. The school not only develops the personality of the child, but also gives a very special attention to every child. The school ensures that the parents equally get that support in developing the child's personality from time to time. We really feel proud to be a part of this Millennium fraternity. Thank you.
गुड मॉर्निंग। मैं मुकेश वर्मा, फादर ऑफ अभिलक्ष वर्मा एंड स्टडी इन क्लास 10A। वैसे तो सारे एक्सपीरियंस बहुत अच्छे रहे हैं इस स्कूल के साथ मेरे। सबसे ज्यादा अच्छा जो लगा है वो 2-3 मैं आपके साथ अपने एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करना चाहता हूँ। एक तो जो यहाँ का स्टाफ है, जो टीचिंग स्टाफ है और स्टाफ जो है, कोऑर्डिनेटर जो है, वो इतनी अच्छी तरह से आपको गाइड करते हैं, आपके बच्चे को समझाते हैं कि जिसको समझ नहीं आ रहा होगा वो भी एक बार ध्यान से समझेगा। दूसरी बात, जो यहाँ बच्चे हैं, जो यहाँ टीचर्स हैं, वो आपस में एक फैमिली की तरह रहते हैं। यहाँ के टीचर्स की एक बात बहुत अच्छी लगी है, अगर आउट ऑफ वे मतलब स्कूल के बाद भी अगर आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम है तो आप उनसे डायरेक्ट संवाद कर सकते हैं, आप उनसे डायरेक्ट बात कर सकते हैं। ये बहुत ही कम स्कूलों में देखने को मिलता है। और मैंने अपने बच्चे को इस स्कूल में डालने के बाद जो उसमें चेंजेस देखे हैं वो स्पीचलेस है, उसका कोई वर्णन नहीं कर सकता। बहुत अच्छा डिसिप्लिन, यहाँ प्रिंसिपल मैम, मतलब आपको मिलने के बाद ऐसा लगेगा कि आप अपने फैमिली मेंबर से मिल रहे हैं। आपको ये नहीं लगेगा कि कोई टीचर से आप पे बर्डन डाल रहे हैं। और उनकी गाइडलाइन में, ऐसे टीचर्स की गाइडलाइन में जो पौधा बड़ा होता है वो एक विशाल वृक्ष ही बनता है। इससे ज्यादा मैं क्या बोलूं, बस बाकी आप। नमस्ते।
Hello everyone, as parents of Kavya grade 11 and Navya grade 8, we are connected with Millennium for last 10 years.
Online learning is a new reality for schools during COVID-19, and we really appreciate the way Millennium teachers have adapted themselves to this new normal. We are seeing a positive development in our girls during these negative times also, and we just wish Millennium to keep up this good work and school reaches greater heights in imparting holistic education to the students. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, this is Hemant Jain. I'm father of Dhruvika Jain, class 11. She's studying in the Millennium School, Noida, Sector 41. And I would like to take this opportunity to give my note of thanks to the school and the school management and the staff. Dhruvika has been going to the Millennium School for almost 10 years now. She's been studying there since class 1st. And I see a tremendous growth in her, both in studies as well as her overall personality. And I thank the school completely for that.
Hello, I am Shachita. My child Shivansh Gaur, he is in class 11P. He is here in the Millennium School since year 2009. The reason why I have chosen the Millennium School, firstly, the school is associated with Educom, one among the largest education company which works for the digital products and online solution. Secondly, my very much priority, it has enhanced my child personality. Plus, just because of the less strength of the students, the teacher can focus on to each and every single student. There is a healthy relationship between teachers and students, cool interaction between teachers, parents as well. So, for few this simple reason, I am satisfied and still my child is learning in a best possible way. Thank you.
My daughter Mannat started studying in Millennium School about 8 years back, and I and my wife, we were both extremely satisfied with the academic performance she's been giving, and this definitely reflects the hard work and passion respected teachers here demonstrate. Their dedication is definitely admirable, and under this COVID-19 situation, the online classes, again they have given their best to maintain the discipline in the classes and to make students understand and to encourage the participation of all the students in the online classes. So all in all, this is excellent. Millennium School, we have no complaints at all, and I wish the whole Millennium School family good luck. God bless. Thank you so much.
Hello everybody. It has been 10 years now that we are part of the Millennium family. Our daughter started their schooling in TMS Noida since kindergarten, and now they are in senior classes. In this long relationship, I have seen the school evolve and grow in terms of the quality of education, the way they interact with the parents, their transparency, their processes, and this gives us an immense confidence that our children are in the right hand. This, as a working mother, I have never felt the need to support my children additionally beyond the academics of the school. And I feel I could have been a child once again and be a student of this school. Thank you so much.
Hello friend, I am a proud parent of Millennium School Sector 41 Noida. It's a great school where teachers are very supportive and take utmost care of every individual child. I feel that this school uplifts the ability of every child, bringing them to the level best.
Hi, I am Aryav's mother. Millennium School, teachers and students always rock. I am a proud Millennium parent. Thanks for producing such great results. Thanks to Rita Kaul ma'am and to all the teachers for their hard work. Congratulations Aryav, proud of you.
Hello, I am Aryav's father. Aryav has done extremely well in his board exams. 100% credit goes to Millennium School teachers. The kind of hard work they have done with the kids all along the year is really remarkable. Thanks to principal ma'am, thanks to all the teachers for the untiring work they have done with the students for the whole year. I'm really thankful to you, and this kind of hard work is possible only in Millennium School. I'm really a proud parent and proud to be associated with Millennium School. Thanks to all of you.